Today, we will show how to repair a Land Rover airbag module using the Ultra-S Programmer. Part number MK72-14D374-AE. Chip number 1330. Step 1. Open the software and select the vehicle model and chip number. Important! Before launching the software, make sure the programmer is powered on and connected to your computer via the USB cable. Open the Ultra-S Prog software. Select Options, Airbag, Land Rover, MK72-14D374-AE, R7F701330. OK. Step 2. Check the wiring diagram. Click Diagram to open the HD wiring diagram. Solder the adapter to the airbag module PCB board as shown. Step 3. Connect the programmer. Once everything is ready, plug the adapter into the Ultra-S Prog. Step 4. Airbag reset. Click Reset. The software starts the process automatically. Auto-cracking and reading chip data. Once reading is complete, back up the data. The device will then automatically begin recovering the crash data. Writing repaired data to chip automatically. File write complete. Data restored. Desolder the adapter wires. Solder capacitors back to the PCB board. Ready to install into the car. Please clear the fault codes with a diagnostic scanner. After reinstallation SRS in the vehicle.